Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing UniKitty Lego set, and I will time lapse it for you after I open this package. So I'll get right back to you. Okay guys, so I'm finally done with the setup. So this is like the little DJ stage. It's like speakers, discs, little party. Her name's UniKitty, and this is her brother back here, UniKitty. And this little guy is Grumpy, and he's peeking out of the cake here. And there's this little guy, eagle muscle thing, and he's just looking at the party. There's this presents that they already opened. They already opened this blue one. They're waiting to open this pink one. And yeah, so it took me a little while to build it, but it was really fun building. And I'm really excited. If you like it or not, comment down below, yes or no, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.